Welcome to Cerro Negro, the only place in the world where you can sandboard down a volcano.
We're Hayden and Aaron, and we'll be spending the month in the city of Granada in Nicaragua. You guys, we're going on a freaking epic adventure that I'm very nervous about. We're heading on a 2.5-hour journey north here in Nicaragua to the city of León, where we're going to hike an active volcano and then sandboard down it. We're going volcano boarding. First step, we gotta drive to León, and our ride is here, so let's go.
Hola, buenos días.
Well, we just got pulled over by the police. From what I could gather from the conversation, it sounds like we may have been speeding, although our driver thought we were in an 80-kilometer zone. So it sounds like the police officer just wants some money. Our driver just told us to stay in the car and got out and said he wants money, and so we'll see what happens. We got stopped again for a second time, and it sounds like they're trying to say his lights aren't working. His back end, so. We're here. This is our room for the night. Not much to look at, but we're only here for the one night, and we can kind of just sleep wherever we need to for a single night. So I don't know that I've ever actually slept in a room that had a mosquito net. Where's my hand? There's my hand. A mosquito net hanging over the bed that we're gonna have to let down and protect us, because there's some openings in the ceilings and that means bugs.
Looks like the restaurant in the front of this hostel is popping. There's a bar and everything, so we're gonna go find some food. Muy importante.
What? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? We're going to get some food. Let's go.
So we made it to Coco Calala, which is literally right around the corner from the hostel, and everything on the menu is vegan except for a couple of vegetarian items. So it's great because it's just by default vegan, and it's really cute. It's outside, and there's you can use the pool behind us here, which we didn't bring bathing suits. And we got a couple of things to try. Excited. Food. It's our favorite.
And I elected for the Cerro Negro artisanal beer. And it's an oatmeal stout, which probably shouldn't be starting my day with because it's still kind of early, but it's delicious. So Cerro Negro is...
Cerro Negro.
Yeah, I white peopled the shit out of that name. So Cerro Negro is the volcano that we are actually going to be doing the sandboarding on tomorrow. So I figure why not in the area? Let's try the beer with the name on it. So, wow, Cerro Negro. We're starting off with a quesadilla. Man, does this thing look incredible. It is stuffed with beans, there's cashew cheese, onions, peppers. Smells delicious. Let's dive in. Yeah, buddy. Wow, the flavor is just fantastic. It's got nice fresh onions in there, and the peppers and the beans. It all just really comes together. It's a great appetizer.
I'm so friggin' excited for these tacos. They're cauliflower tacos, so they kind of look like they've got maybe a fish, a beer battered fish vibe to them. It's got a little bit of a cream sauce on top. And if you've been watching our videos for a long time, you'll remember that our very favorite maybe meal ever, I don't know, that's controversial, but maybe it's my favorite meal we've had, was from Playa del Carmen in Mexico, the fish tacos. They look just like them. I'm so excited. Look at this masterpiece. Not as good as the one in Playa, but they're very good. They've got a little bit of a fishy vibe. The cauliflower is really nice. The batter on the outside is nice and crispy. The sauce is really good. It's got like a tang, and we got little like things on the top. Yum. I was just telling Aaron that I think that just our trip up here to León was worth it already. Outside of the volcano boarding and all that, but like I would drive 5 hours to eat these. I would. They're good. Pretty stoked. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
So we're having our morning coffee here in the empty enclosed bar. We have about 10 minutes before we're meeting to go on this tour up a volcano and then down it. So let's go.
We got new shirts for today. So today is going to be a volcano day, which it absolutely is. We are here. We're staring up at the volcano now, and I can't believe we're about to hike this, and I can't believe we're about to sled down it. So it's just these little yellow planks of wood. We're about to hike up this volcano, so here we go. All right, we've pretty much reached the rim-ish area. Still got a little bit of ways to go, but man, that view behind me is gorgeous. We're almost there. Oh, babe. We did it! Look at that. Looks like you're just gonna launch right off the edge of that. We're about to go down this. You can get up to 100 kilometers per hour, which is like 60 miles an hour. It's gonna be fast.
We made it to the tallest point overlooking this freaking epic crater, and there's steam coming out of the ground here, and you can like feel the heat coming out, literally on an active volcano as well. Wild. Fun facts about the volcano. It last erupted in 1999. It's the second youngest volcano in North America, the first being in Mexico. Basically, we're standing on an active volcano, like it could literally erupt at any time. It has 5 different craters, and I don't know. We're going down, down, baby, no straight in a rainbow.
Turns are coming up. It's almost time to go. I'm probably equal parts scared and excited, so we'll see how it goes.
We did it!
I can't wait to see the footage. That was incredible.
Extreme sport. Like, that was not a walk in the park. That was freaking absolutely nuts.
We've been told that this is one of the top 50 things that you have to do before you die, and we're glad we did it. But I don't think she's ever gonna do it again.
Do that again. It was fun. I'm glad I can say that I did it, but I pretty much like dug my feet in on the way down. It was just like, I don't like it, I don't like it. Like, you were going so fast, and I was just like, I'm trying to slow down.
I tried digging my feet in, and it's like, you're going. It said, I just went with it, and I leaned back, and I tilted my feet up a little bit, and then I put them back down, just pulled that board up, and my feet were just skidding across the ground, and I actually launched off of the ground at the end there, so the experience was top notch.
Definitely worth visiting. Definitely worth the experience. So cool.
We'll leave the information for Volcano Day Nicaragua in the description down below so you can book your trip with them.
Thumbnail.
Let's do this! It includes your favorite activity, hiking. So we have to do a pretty sizable hike to get up to the top.
Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. I just don't like to hike. I don't like it. I'm over it. I'm paying somebody to carry my board, and I was like, can you just carry me too? But apparently that's not a thing, so.
5 minutes in, I think Hayden's already having regrets. You got this, babe. You can do it.
I just wish I could take a helicopter to the top.
Easy there, Beyonce.
Just somebody carry. At least I don't have to carry the board. I'll pay people to carry me.
Just strap you down to two
Put
of these.
me on a hammock with, like, you know, a big pole.
Yeah, you need a litter and your people.
With like a chair. People carry me on a chair. That's a level of rich I'll never know.
All right, we've had our little break and we've already watched the rest of the crew just go ahead and take off. We're not speedsters at this, you know. Ever since we did the Grand Canyon, we kind of were like, we're gonna take a break from hiking, and this is what happens. So anyway, we're almost there. We're almost there. Oh, babe, look at that view. I'm talking about the woman in front of me. Ho ho! Also, we have a house chicken behind us. I don't know if you could hear that. Do it again. Of course not, now that I'm done.